Aloha, I'm Michelle Sandanya, your committed broker and certified real estate negotiator at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Maui Properties. I'm so excited to announce that I've just listed a beautiful tri-level townhome. The property features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,395 square feet of living space, a spacious backyard, 187 square feet garage, and a deeded parking stall, and more for $1,300,000. Located in the desirable pet-friendly Ho'onanea Unit 206, 31 East Kuu Aku Ln, Lahaina. It offers access to a private community park with a barbecue area and pavilion, conveniently situated across from Lahaina Gateway and just minutes from Lahaina Cannery Mall. This is an exceptional opportunity to embrace the West Maui lifestyle to the fullest. Please reach me anytime via call or text at 808-359-1913 or email at michelle.sandanya@gmail.com to schedule a showing. Mahalo, nui loa.